What's up, guys? Sebastian here. I'm actually back with another video with Facecam. Hooray. It's been a while. So, today we're going to be unboxing the Razer Basilisk V3. And, most importantly, was actually, I bought this with my own money. It was like $70 at Best Buy. So, I actually invited my friend, Braden, to talk with me. He's actually
I'm
in
here.
Discord. Yeah. I'll shout out his channel at the end of the unboxing, so then you can, not miss the unboxing. So I'll show it up to this camera to get a close view. And here. So right now we're gonna be cutting it open with my epic knife. Okay, let's get this open. Hey, I'm already cutting the packaging. Guess I could just take off the tape.
Mm.
You know what? Screw it. It's being ripped open. Okay. For gamers by gamers. So if we open this up, bro, what else is in here? Oh, our guide. Also go green with Razer. This is unleash your true potential. Blah blah blah. Thank you for choosing Razer. Protect your Razer gear. Basilisk V3. Blah blah blah. How to use it. When I was at the Best Buy, I actually touched it for the first time. All right. I have the mouse for the first time.
How nice is
Whew.
it?
Oh, really nice. This
That's
has
nice. I
also
have a super clunky one. I
also
just found
guys
it in a drawer.
this has the infinite scroll feature, just like the G502.
Wait, is it where you click the button in the middle and then
Yeah.
uh or you click the Yeah, I don't like that feature. It's not good.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
sorry. That was rude.
It's fine. It's fine. It's your opinion.
Yeah, because I was using it on one of those mouses that is like held up vertical that it's like twisted to one side and you hold it in your hand. And I have one of those, but it's stuck that way. And like it
Actually,
would be a good mouse if it wasn't stuck like that.
let me see if I can actually get the infinite scroll feature to work. Oh, I got stickers. All right. I'm just reading the manual to get the infinite scroll. Tilt wheel. Oh, this says tilt click. Pretty sure it's not an infinite scroll mode just yet. Yeah, that's all. So now, let's put away this knife so we don't cause any murder on video. This is actually really good. I like it. It's all sleek, fits my hand. This is used like a different plastic. This one's like what do I call it? Kind of like shiny plastic. This is the Mamba wireless that I mainly use since 2020, and now in 2022, I have the Basilisk V3. All right, let's get this baby plugged in. Since the mouse is disconnected, it's gonna be dead probably. Because, last time using it. Alright. Plugging it in 5, 4. Oh, this little thing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One. Oh.
There we go! Oh my god. Hold on, let me turn down. Oh, Razer. Just, update. Oh, let me turn on the DPI. Actually, hold on. Let me get my Roblox mousepad. Ugh. Where is it? Ugh. BRB. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa. Oh, I think I found it. Yep, I did. Alright. We're good to go. Just gonna custom. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Actually, let me try this. Oh, I felt the infinite scroll. Oh my gosh. Wait, is it stuck like this now?
Oh god, that doesn't sound good.
What? What doesn't sound good? It's no longer stuck anymore. I'm just customizing my thing. Okay, I'm gonna set stage 1 to 350 DPI. Then I'll just remove stages. I'm just gonna remove all the stages. And then we'll play Geometry Dash with this new mouse. Since my Razer Mamba is so dog water at Geometry Dash. And then I'll set 800 to 600. Or actually, 400.
How dog water are you at Geometry Dash with the other mouse?
Like, very dog water.
Like, is it because of the mouse?
Yeah, like, the clicks, like, suck.
Don't lie.
Yeah, and
Don't lie.
when I hold with the shift, it's very
I'm
delayed.
just. Oh, I was just joking, but.
Oh, it
Yeah.
says number of stages. Setting it to 2. There we go. Okay, brightness, we'll set it to 100. Oh, wave. There we go. Alright, now it's spinning
Like,
colors.
it works.
Okay. Let's start as. Oh, I'm gonna have to press custom. Service profile. Okay. Bro, how come this is so glitchy?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna get out of Synapse. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the, actually, no, no, no. We're gonna hop into some Geometry Dash. So, let me take the face cam out. Let me keep the hand cam in. Display capture. We'll do some boutique too easy. I don't like how there's so many cords on this side. I'm gonna move it. No. I have a problem with my headphone cord where it wants to twist on itself. Like, it doesn't knot up.
Okay,
It just likes to twist.
I'm gonna move the camera this way. Okay, I'm gonna open Steam. Let me check Streamlabs. Okay. Okay, you guys can see the mouse, right? Okay, there we go. TD2 Easy by Jackrass. Okay, it's doing better. It's better. It's better.
I mean, obviously it's gonna be better, right?
No, like clicking is better. I can't hear you. I'm jamming. I'm at 33 so far. Ah, come on! I died. Ah, now my hands are sweaty. Okay, let me try straight flying. Alright, let's try it. Oh my god. Why am I so dog water at straight fly? Hold on, I'm getting somewhere. Huh? Alright, let's go.
What do you do?
Oh, I did a straight fly helper level.
Cool.
Let me do Coolio.
Is that an easy demon? Isn't that an easy demon?
No, Coolio, my level.
Oh.
You know, no
What am
whack.
I-
You already know.
Oh, Coolio Levelio. Duh.
No, not that level, my level. Coolio. Let me search it up. There we go. Shark's Adrenaline. not Leork. Beat da.
Level's so good. Have you beaten it?
Yeah, I have on mobile. On mobile.
Cool.
Alright. Well, guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Bye bye.